So today we are working on multiplication table. First of all, let's try to create a form that will accept the input. I think we need to input a input box. One times the other one is what? Let's call that text area field. I think T1. Let's call it times. So the second one, let's add another input box. This one should be numbers. Hey, numbers. So let's create our submit button. I think this one is submit button. Submit. Let's click OK. So I don't need this message. Let me delete this. This one is almost I can also delete this one. It's okay like that. So let's go back to the code now. So we can now type in our PHP code inside at the end of the form. So let's start our PHP code. PHP, it will end up with this sign. So if submit button is clicked, this should be executed. I set then if submitted, submit. Closing, then you want to close the other parentheses. What is inside this parenthesis should be executed. So now what we have to do is to the first one is T1 text. What is inside the text box T1 should be assigned to, let's call it T. Ordinary T is equal to what is being assigned to T1. Semicolon to end it. Then dollar sign small n is equal to what is being assigned semicolon. So you can now have a loop for bracket dollar sign k is equal to 1 semicolon dollar sign k less than or equal to what? less than or equal to $n. Then you have your semicolon, $k, the incremental. Then you have the opening and closing parentheses. So now I can now, that is, let P represent the result of the multiplication P. It will be equal to $T multiplied by $n, semicolon. So now let's echo our results out, which is equal to yeah. So it's equal to $T multiplied by what? K is equal to $P. Then should move to next line, semicolon. I think the program is ended now. So let's save it and run it and see what will happen during the execution of the program. So F5 to fresh. If 3 to 12, our result will be this. If to 12, sorry, our result will be this. If we enter 7 to 24, our result is this. 7, oh, no, sorry, I think there's issue here. I didn't check the results. Let me go back to the program. I think this multiplied by this sorry, the issue, I'm multiplying K, not N. K, you see the loop. So it will be, so K, let's run it again. K multiplied by T. Let's refresh. F5. You can see 7 times 1, 7. 8 to 12. You can see the result. 9 and 24. You can see the results. So you can scroll down to see. You can see the results. So that's it about multiplication times.